Ever felt like affiliate marketing was a secret society and your invitation got lost in the mail, missing out on the handshake and the decoder ring that turns clicks into cash? Well, consider this, your invite to the party that is MAP, Master Affiliate Profits. Imagine a system so intuitive, it's like it reads your mind, only less creepy and more profitable. With MAP, we're cutting through the digital jungle with a lightsaber, showing you the path from bewildered beginner to the Yoda of affiliate marketing. Forget about piecing together the puzzle of online success. MAP is like the cheat code you wish you had when you started. And the best part, you don't need to sell your soul on social media or pledge allegiance to the guru du jour. Ready to unlock the mysteries of making real money online without the mystique? Leap into MAP. Because let's face it, the only thing better than making money in your sleep is making it without needing to decode ancient hieroglyphics.